How to see your Discord checkpoint. Make sure to watch the video until the end so you don't make any mistakes. So the first thing we are going to check is if our Discord app is up to date. This is very important because only the updated Discord app will have this feature. So go to your app store first and you can either search for Discord and see if there is any available update, or you can also go to the today section at the bottom left and tap on your profile picture at the top right. And once you scroll down, if you see that your Discord app has an available update, just tap on the update button beside it. And as you can see, I have just updated my Discord app recently. And once you have done that as well, just simply open the Discord app and go to your profile page at the bottom right. And once you're in here, you should be able to see the checkpoint button right here. If you don't see it yet after you updated your Discord app, you can swipe up on the bottom middle of your phone and swipe up on the Discord app to force close it and reopen the Discord app. Go to your profile page again and you should be able to see this checkpoint section within your profile page like this. So you simply have to tap on it to check your own Discord checkpoint and just tap through